Ton bag packaging machine is a large-scale weighing packaging equipment used for ton bag packaging materials. It is a multi-purpose packaging machine integrating electronic weighing, automatic bag removal, and dust removal. It has a high degree of automation, high packaging accuracy, adjustable packaging speed, superior structure, and a unique hydraulic lifting system that makes it particularly easy to handle ton bag packaging and is very convenient for the subsequent process. Ton bag packaging machine is suitable for ton bag packaging of materials in the mining, chemical, building materials, grain, and feed industries. Main structure of ton bag packaging machine, including pneumatic hook clamping system, air filling and air return mechanism, feed metering control mechanism, hydraulic lifting mechanism, conveyor roller, electrical control, etc. Technical parameters of ton bag packaging machine. Weighing range 1 to 2.